Hey guys, I want to show you a product here that a sponsor sent me for my tiny home slash shop. I try to make a tiny home out of it. If it fails, or if I don't like it, well, it'll be a shop or storage type thing. But okay, they sent me 4 of them, so we're going to hook up all 4. 100-watt LEDs. I haven't opened them up yet. Let's see if I can do all this with one hand. Let me just get that one. Oh, okay. 2 boxes, so I'm assuming that there's 2 lights in each box. Okay, little hooks and stuff like that. Okay, now I'm going to put a link and everything in the description. They've got all kinds of different style lights, shop lights. Let me check this out here. Shop lights, house lights. That's it there. Oh, it's actually got a plug in it. Okay. Because I'm not going to wire it completely up. I'm going to mount it up complete, but you know, I'm going to have to wire this whole thing, whole building up there with a breaker box in there and wiring to plugs, everything. And then of course I'll eventually mount these, hook them up with a switch. So you go on, you know, you open the door and you, in a regular house, click the light switch on instead of fumbling around trying to plug it into an extension cord and all that. But we may just do that for now. Plus I need light in there for when I'm working on it, because I only ordered it with 1 door or 1 window. So there's not much light in there. So when I want to work on it, on the foundation and all that, I'm going to need lights. So that's the first thing we got to put in, is these lights. So yeah, so there's 2 of them in here. 2, you order them by the pair, I guess. You may be able to order them single if you want. But yeah, they were nice enough. They asked me how many I need. I said, well, how about 4? So they sent me 4, and we'll hook all them 4 up and see. Eventually it's going to be blocked off with a bathroom and a laundry room, hot water heater room, stuff like that. We'll probably get little lights or something for them. But this will be for the main living area. Bedroom, if I decide to put a bedroom in there. Anyway, let's walk over there and put this in here. I was going to put these inside there right now anyway to get them out of the way, and we gotta round up some ladders, stuff like that. Let's put them there. See if I can pick this up with one hand. Okay. Walk over there and I'll show you where I'm going to put them up. Go a little slow. I got it balancing with my legs, so I can't walk that fast. Okay. Already got some tires in here, so you can see it's not completely dark because I videoed some in here after the building went up, so you can see through the camera. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4 rafters, and I said all the water systems here, bathroom in the corner, laundry room, all the way up to a kitchen sink. So all the water is going to be on this wall, all the plumbing. Then eventually probably be about 5 feet out, and we'll put a wall up to block it off, and a door to the bathroom and all that. And then most likely, I'm not sure on a ceiling yet. I may just leave it all open. I don't know. But most likely, like I said, need a little separate light. Bathroom, laundry room, 2 separate little, you know, bulbs. But these big ones here. So anyway, that rafter's out of the question. So we got these 3. So yeah, it won't be any. It won't be any past there. I'd have to measure it, whatever 5 feet is. Well, this whole back wall is supposed to be 25 feet, so what's that, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Each one of these is 5 foot, I guess. So, yeah, there's that rafter right there. That rafter's at 10 foot, right? So we'll put 2, maybe one there, and then this first open one here, one there, and one there. I think that'll be pretty cool. You know, one might be good enough, but like I said, I may put a bedroom, but you know, I don't know if I'll make a bedroom this way or what. It's too far in the future to figure out right now. So if I do put a bedroom over here, this light here would be that for the bedroom, I guess. But anyway, if it's all open, we'll have 4 big lights. And yeah, it'll probably be too much light. 4 100-watt light bulbs for just this area. Might be a little too much. But I think, but I'm not sure, I'll check and let y'all know when I read the instructions whether you can dim these down. I'm pretty sure you can. Whether I got to buy a separate dimmer switch. And I'll put this, not on this video, like I said, once it's all wired in, you'll come in here and flick a switch, right? And then you can buy those switches with the round dimmer on them. So you can dim them down. Because, you know, 400 watts of lights will probably be pretty damn bright in there. And yeah, you can just dim them down. But if you need to, you can turn the right up. So anyway, not going to do it right this second. I just want to get the video started and get these lights out of the way, show you unboxing them. A little bit later, we'll get a ladder, see how far I can get up here, and start drilling holes or whatever it takes to install them lights. And then what I'll probably do is just bring well, I got an extension cord right. It's right over here because I had it out for the workers when they put up the building because they were using stuff. So just bring in the extension cord, plug them in, and see what it looks like. Okay, I'll be back. Okay guys, let's install these lights. Okay, so this is what comes in the package. Each package for 2 lights has 2 hooks. And then these are like safety cables. In case it falls off the hook, it won't fall to the ground and break. Okay, and then it's got a little safety set screw. So when you hook that onto whatever you're doing, you put that screw in there. Well, it's already in there, but make sure that's on there for safety. Okay, I guess I cut the instructions that are right on top of the box. But okay, so here's one of the hooks here that I have. Let me put that over here. That are screwed in there. Screw it in. Okay, these 2 wires are for the dim, to dim it, plus and minus. But it says, where was it here? Right here. Dimmer control sold separately. So it's got like a dimmer switch, and the purple and the pink wire goes into that. But also it has this deal right here. Now it's already preset to the highest 100 watts, right? You put a screwdriver in there and lower it. You can lower it to 80% or 60%. So we can try that out. Just put a screwdriver in there and just turn it down, right? So 3 ways of mounting it. Well, no, 2, I guess. Brackets or the hook mounting. But it only came with those J-hook looking things. This one here has some round hooks to do it. They didn't come with it. And then brackets. Brackets didn't come with it. And then that's for the tether cable, that safety cable. Just kind of put a little hook in there, I guess in case it falls off or something. Or if it's like outside, you're putting it on the outside patio and the wind starts blowing it around. I guess that's what that does too. We don't have to worry about it here. Okay, so it didn't come with any of that extra stuff, extra hooks or what to hook this to. You know, you put that on there to mount the light. Well, I don't have another J hook to put on the ceiling. So I have these muffler clamps. So I just brought them out. I haven't got up there yet. This ladder's not going to reach. I got to get my big ladder. But I'm assuming it's the same size as these. And look, perfect fit. So we can bolt that up there, and then it should hook the light to that like that and hang it. So I think, you know, we want it even on both sides, so I think what I'll do, put one over there right where that cross piece is, put it right below that on that beam, same with that one. That way they'll both be even. So 2 on that one and 2 on this one. Okay, so let me get my other ladder and I'll get these 2 up there mounted and show you. I'll be back. Okay guys, I had to modify the muffler clamps. I had to cut the corners out. So I'd have enough length to get up there. Anyway, I got these 2 up there. And we'll just leave these cords hanging until we do the whole electrical wiring for the whole building, and then we'll put them in there. And it's kind of tilted because the cord's holding it, see? Here, hang on. See, the cord's kind of pulling it down on an angle. Okay, so let me get the other 2 up. I've just been modifying them handles. Got them 2 ready. And yeah, we can mount those 2. And I will be back. Okay guys, there they are. I got that one plugged in. The extension cord running down there. I plugged them all in, they all work, so they're good. Let me come out here. I don't have a whole bunch of extension cords. I could plug them all in and all at once. Maybe I'll look, but what I'm about to say is I'll come out here at night and we'll plug them in, see how bright it is in here. Okay, so I'll be back tonight. Okay guys, there's Nikki. She wants to go in the house or something. Hey Nikki. It's about to get dark here in a little while. I went ahead and it's way darker inside the shop since there's no windows on that side when the sun goes down. So here's with the one light on. Lights it up pretty good. I'm going to, I got boxes and electrical wires, and because I used to flip houses years ago, and I kept all that stuff. I'm going to bring all the house stuff and wiring and bring it out here and go through it and see if I got some wiring or electrical cords, small ones, to hook all these up, and hook them all up at once and plug them in just to see what it's looked like. I'm sure it'll be pretty damn bright. But yeah, anyway, guys, that'll just be it for this little segment here. Some future video we'll go over and have them all hooked up to a switch and all that stuff later on. But yeah, if you need some lights, check them out. They got all kinds of different type of lights. I think I mentioned that. Just check out their website, I guess. Okay.